This video shows how to import airfoil coordinates into Excel using a macro that comes with CATIA. So if you follow this folder path, you can find the Excel spreadsheet that stores the macro. It's called GSD point spline loft from excel.xls. This is the version that works with V5. So what we need to do is enter the X, Y, and Z coordinates of the points along the airfoil. Here we're going to use a NACA 64A 010. Copy those. We'll move this block of text over to the right so it's out of the way. That signals the end of the macro. So copy the coordinates from the text document and we'll paste those. So now the first column is X, the second column is Y, third column is Z. So we'll fix that later when we want to switch which plane it is in. But first we're going to delimit what we pasted to get it into columns. Use the delimiters to do that. And it's broken, but no problem here to just move these over. We'll change the precision shown. Okay. And now, as I mentioned earlier, the first column is X, second column is Y, third column is Z. And this is an airfoil for the wing of the L23, so we want it in the XZ plane. So we'll zero out the Y column and move the other coordinates to Z. Now we'll put this block of text at the end that signals the end of the macro when it's reading the coordinates. And now we need to scale the airfoil to be the correct dimensions. So we'll put in our root cord and convert it to millimeters, because that is how CATIA will read it in. This doesn't matter what your default unit is in CATIA when you're building. If you go to the options and change it to inches, it's still going to use, in this macro, it's going to import it as millimeters. So we'll scale all of these values by multiplying by the root cord in millimeters. And copy those and put them back over here. Just paste the values. Make sure to do that. Otherwise your formula will loop around. Now to do this, it has to be a new part in CATIA. So create a new part called wing. And we'll select cell A1, then go to the developer, macros. Developer macros and main. Then you want 2 as the option, and it'll go through reading those. And if we go to CATIA, we'll see that those are in.